Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And here I make content about make money online affiliate marketing as well as online business. Today I will be showing you how you can make a landing page, okay? A simple landing page just like this on which you can send your traffic. You cannot send your traffic directly to your affiliate link because you cannot post your affiliate links anywhere, and if you post your affiliate links on social media your account may get banned. So I suggest you to create this type of landing page, and don't worry, it is absolutely free. You can create this type of landing page using a website. Today I'm going to show you how you can create it. You just have to go to this website which is known as linktree.com. okay, just go to this website, and what you have to do is you will once you sign up, you have to get verify your account on Linktree. Okay, this is one of my Linktree account, but I used to use it long ago, but now I'm not active on this account. But all you have to do is just go to here, and it's a free sign up process, and just click on add new link. Okay, just when you click on add new link, you just have to put in here the title. For example, make money, MONE. Okay, you put in the title make money, and here you just have to put in a URL. Okay, for example, let's give google.com. Okay, it is done. Just you have to press this yellow sign and then do this again, and it's ready. Okay, you have made your URL. Okay, this is your URL, this is how it will look. Okay, and your landing page has been created. Once we refresh this landing page, okay, and that's it, and you have created your landing page like this. Okay, this is different, this is a bit newer landing page with 2 links. Okay, you can create a landing page with almost 5 links over here, just like this. Simple, easy, very simple, and nothing else is required to do this. Okay, this is totally free, but you can also get a pro version if you want to, but I recommend you just have to use the free version. It would be fine, and you can generate traffic with this. Okay, this is a very simple tool which you can use to create a landing page, especially if you are beginner and don't know how to make a landing page. You just sign up for an account on this website and just create landing pages just like this by adding links, whatever you want to add. You can go to here settings, and there are some of the color options which you may choose. Okay, that's also possible here. So if you want to do something like this, you can do this type of stuff. Okay, that's very simple, very easy. There's nothing difficult in this. Okay, so whatever you want to do, you can easily do it over here. Just now I replaced this one looks pretty good. Okay, so that's it. This is how I create landing page using Linktree. You can create one landing page just like this using this program. Very simple, very easy. There is nothing any difficulty in this. So I think it is very easy for you. You may have understood, and I have given the link in the description of this program. It's not at all an affiliate link, and this program is absolutely free to join. I don't recommend you to go for the paid version. Just go with the free version, and you can create such a beautiful landing page for free, and you can send your affiliate, and you can promote your affiliate offers using this landing page. So if you like this video, then just press this like button as well as subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay subscribed and stay happy.